Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to send blank message on Snapchat. So first of all, I'm gonna opening my browser here and I'm typing here emptycharacter.com. So open this website and scroll down, and here you will find this method 1. So all you have to do is just tap on copy to clipboard, and now open your Snapchat and open the conversation where you want to send blank message, and simply paste the copied method here and tap on send, and here you can see I successfully sent a blank message. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.